The COVID-19 pandemic has given rise to a lot of problems for all industries. Amid all the industries affected by digital transformation wave, the finance industry underwent one of the most extreme changes in its operations. So in this video, we'll see what is finance digital transformation, steps or skills required for finance function during digital transformation and the roadmap for digital finance transformation. So let's get going. Digital transformation isn't just the latest edition of buzzword bingo. It's leading to real business breakthroughs in all parts of the industry. Now let's see what is finance digital transformation. Digital transformation is racing through the financial services industry, upending traditional business models whether in customer facing or internal functions. Rising customer expectations, increased competition, and stricter regulatory requirements are spurring firms to adopt innovative digital based processes without succumbing to runaway cost or margin pressures. Companies which aspire to create a digital finance business often don't know where to start. So, creating a digital finance business is a strategic imperative to grow revenue, maintain competitiveness, and evolve the organization. Here are few of the Deloitte recommendations to a finance leader during digital transformation. Talent essential for digital transformation include first leadership, including CFOs who are deliberate about the commitments they make with a sharp view to the future and a clear roadmap for getting there. Culture, in which every new hire makes finance more digital through new generations who seek more experimentation, innovation, and progress and less predictability. New skills, including a solid knowledge of technology and data science. And the engagement, where the finance workforce knows the organization is fully committed both to them and the business goals and gives them opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate. Digital finance transformation is fundamentally human-centric because that's how new ways of value creation are imagined. Let's talk about some of the skills required for finance function during digital transformation. The first one is you should adopt new ways of working with business partners, utilize an agile operating model which promotes collaboration and also blurs the distinction between finance and other business functions. Have an emphasis on predictive and prescriptive analysis so that you are able to guide forward-looking business decisions rather than simply measuring past performance. You should adopt automation of data management, transactional processes, and other activities of low strategic value and freeing finance staff so that they can focus on higher value-added activities. Next up is supporting and in many cases leading enterprise-wide innovation through dynamic capital allocation which balances investment in core areas with non-technology. And the last one is relentless focus on talent. Make sure that the finance organization has access to high-level analytical, design thinking, and technological skills required in the future. Now the question arises why roadmap is key during finance transformation. Finance transformation engage virtually every aspect of finance organization and the business itself, which requires integrated capabilities from vision and strategy to organization and talent. A structured strategy can help you leverage short-term gains made possible by digital technologies, also laying the groundwork for long-term realignment and value generation. Here is a roadmap for digital finance transformation. The first step is transient finance's role. Transient finance's role as a control function to become the enterprise focal point. First, determine what questions the business most struggles with and then identify what data, technologies, and skills are required to answer them. Next, think like a venture capitalist. Create an agile program funding mechanism which is separate from the annual budgeting process that balances investment in core areas with riskier ones and relies upon forward-looking investment criteria that go beyond pure return on investment. Third step is take a comprehensive and flexible approach to talent. Given the scarcity of most important skill sets required in the next generation, focus on developing staff with high-level enabling skills. Next up is lead in driving the adoption of advanced analysis and automation technologies. And the last one is establish a digitally enabled service delivery model. Don't optimize finance processes in isolation. Instead, design operating models which enable end-to-end processes and promote self-service with the organization with a strong focus on the customer. Thanks for watching right till the end. I hope you got some valuable information from this video, and if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos on transformation. You can also visit our website where you can publish your articles, stories and blogs and raise your voice across world. You can also catch us on other social media handle. Till then, take care, have a good one.